The latest XPENG AEROHT flying car has been unveiled, marking a groundbreaking moment in the evolution of transportation. This cutting-edge vehicle combines the best of electric vehicle technology with advanced aviation design, offering a seamless transition from road to air. With sleek, futuristic aesthetics and state-of-the-art engineering, the XPENG AEROHT is designed to redefine urban mobility. Equipped with powerful electric propulsion systems, the flying car is capable of vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL), making it ideal for navigating congested cityscapes. Its autonomous flight capabilities and AI-driven navigation systems ensure safe and efficient travel, whether cruising on the highway or soaring above traffic. The interior offers luxury and comfort, with smart features and connectivity to enhance the passenger experience. This unveiling represents a major leap forward in the pursuit of personal air travel, bringing the dream of flying cars closer to reality. The XPENG AEROHT flying car is not just a vehicle, it's a vision of the future, where the sky